You like it? All right, guys. Here. So, you guys know I can't resist a street barber, and this guy is very friendly. Are you from here, Hanoi?
Yeah, I'm from Hanoi. I'm hairdresser. I work here for 20 years.
20 years?
20,
Hi.
yeah.
So that's on cam right there, right?
Yeah.
One block.
I like every foreigner. The foreigner take a haircut. You know, it's very cheap in Vietnam.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name Bao.
Bao?
Bao, yeah.
Evan. Evan.
Evan, Evan.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna get lined up by Bao here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I make you more handsome.
More handsome?
More handsome.
More duck try?
Yeah. Only in Vietnam has the barber at the sidewalk. Only in Vietnam the barber like this.
Yeah. Only in Vietnam the barbers like
Barber
this.
at the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Are you married?
I am married, yeah. I'm married to
married.
Should I tell him I'm married to Vietnamese?
Yeah.
I'm married, my wife is from Saigon.
Oh, for from Saigon. Okay. Are you YouTuber?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you get money from YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Millions of dollars.
million dong.
1 million dollars.
1 million dong.
Yeah, I'm here in Vietnam, Vietnam.
Yeah.
Nam Nam on Saigon. Hai
Nam Nam in Saigon.
Hai Nam. Oh, he's so fast. This dude. Oh, chill out.
Like this.
Oh, bro. Holy fuck.
Nam Nam in
Oh,
Saigon.
aggressive.
It's really short.
Oh my god. Guys, this is a wildly aggressive haircut. Oh my goodness. Holy.
How much for the haircut in Canada? For the haircut.
It depends where you go. I don't know though. I haven't, in Canada, they're very gentle and nice. Go farther back. I want you to see. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you're in the right place. I'll trust you.
It looks good. It looks
He's
good.
just
Trust.
he is fucking destroying me right now, guys. This is wild. This is the most intense, high-speed, fast-forward choke haircut I've ever got in my life. Wow.
Wow, very handsome man.
Bro, he's giving me a high fade, and it's like
High fade, high
it's
fade.
like a skin fade too, right? Are you giving me a skin fade?
Yeah.
Oh my god, my wife's gonna kill me. I'm not gonna have a wife anymore when I go back to Saigon after she sees the skin fade.
Skin fade.
Chup.
Okay.
Right up here.
Keep the top.
Keep the top this way. Wow, your English is so good, man.
Yeah, because I practice is the foreigner every day.
Okay.
My client almost the foreigner.
Oh.
So
I like foreigner.
all day you learn from foreigners, just speaking with them?
Sorry?
Very impressive. In 20 years, you learned your English from speaking to foreigners.
Yeah. In 20 years.
You started here, what, like 2000, 2005?
Yeah.
Always this spot right here?
Only this, only here. Have you got any children?
I do. I have Hai Chan, Bonam, and Hainam. 2 and 4 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, what about you? You have any kids?
I'm not married, no children.
Not married, no children?
No married, no children.
Oh, he's a bachelor.
I'm free man.
Yeah.
Free man.
Hanoi, Vietnam. And how's the nightlife for the free man in Hanoi?
Oh, the free man in Hanoi, you can do everything what you want. Because no married.
And what about dating? When you're dating, do you date local? You date Hanoian women, or you date foreigners too? You go on dates with foreign girls or foreign guys?
What does it mean? Have you ever been to Ho Chi Minh City?
I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, can you compare between Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi? Which town do you prefer?
I like living in Ho Chi Minh City, but I think Hanoi is better to visit. It's so romantic and beautiful in Hanoi. What do you think?
I think I prefer Hanoi than Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah.
Ho Chi Minh City too noisy.
Too noisy,
I don't like.
too big, too fast.
Yeah,
Hanoi is nice, quiet, gentle
yeah,
place.
Hanoi more quiet than Ho Chi Minh City.
Bro, I'm gonna have to go back to my chiropractor after this haircut.
Bảo anh đi ăn đấy nhá.
Troop, a little bit.
Very, very handsome man. Have been to America?
Yeah, yeah,
Just like this guy right here. That's me.
Oh, you.
This one, I'm that brother. No, they're George. Or Beckham.
David Beckham.
Clooney or Beckham?
You look more like Beckham right now.
David Beckham. Okay.
Okay. Not the industrial fucking blower. This guy rocks it on. He must just be clipping up dudes from hostels all day
Yeah.
long. That was fresh, man. Tell me your name
Well
again.
done.
$200,000.
$200,000, which $8 US for a cut on the
$8
streets of Old Quarter, Hon Kiem, Hanoi, Vietnam. From our guy Bao.
Wow, yeah, how nice to see you.
Nice to see you,
Yeah,
Bao. It's a
yeah.
pleasure, man. I really appreciate it.
Do you use TikTok
I don't use TikTok yet. That's
Only
2026
YouTube?
goals. Only YouTube, yeah.
or Instagram?
Instagram I have, but I don't do. This is just the videos, just YouTube.
Yeah, you can send it on YouTube for me.
Yeah, I'll show you right now, and then you can watch the video, okay?
I want having people know me.
Yeah, 2 million views, 1 million
Yeah.
views, 5 million views, famous. So let's get his address then. Mot Cham Mot Hang Bak.
Hang back, yeah.
Hang Bak, Mot Cham Mot Hang Bak.
Send it to YouTube.
Yeah, we send it to YouTube. I love it, folks. All right, so we're just gonna pay Bao his 200K.
Okay, I get it.
There's his full
I
name,
got it, I
Chen
got
Nok
it,
Bao.
I
You
got
got
it.
it?
Yeah,
And
I
what
got
kind
it.
of phone did you get it on? A 17, right?
17, yeah.
He's got the iPhone 17. He's
iPhone
proud.
17,
Look at this beautiful setting where our guy Bao is cutting to. Like truly, if you're ever in Old Quarter,
Okay.
come to this man.
Okay, how nice.
That was like brutal. Like he was
rough.
That was the most
Take your ass.
like fast, rough, aggressive haircut I've ever had in my
view of it?
life. Yeah, our guy here he is at Mot Cham Mot Bang Hak. It's absolutely beautiful. He's under a little cafe. You know, you're right down from the lake. You got the classic puppetry stuff happening over here.
See the cut.
Oh, the cut.
The back. The back
the
is
back.
a little.
Red? Like red and
It's a
raw?
little. It's a little sharp.
Oh, I bet, man. He came in hard with the skin fade. I was just like, whoa, dude. If you get a haircut from Bao, you better have your translator app ready. Tell him fast, because he came in like the clippers were on there before I got in the chair. You know what I mean? Holy cow! I can't believe he did that in 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay.
This is our guy Bao. We appreciate it. I'm Ebony. You can watch more haircut, shaves, and massages up here. Or you can just look at his handsome face up here.
I hope so. See you.
Thank you so much, sir.